It looks like I have a lot of stuff going on my desk today, but what I really want to discuss is the ACEFAST dual port 40 watts charger. Each port is capable of doing 20 watts max, and let's verify that. Everything here on my desk is just really meant to be verify the output of this device. It is a 40 watts charger, but let me just max out one port to make sure that is really 20 watts. This is the Jackery power bank, which has a power delivery input that will take 60 watts. I know for a fact it takes 60 watts, and per port, according to the user manual, it says 20, but now let's see. Yes, we got 19.7.9. I think that's a 20 right there. Okay, yeah, to fully charge that thing at full speed, you need a a bigger charger, but this thing is really designed, let's try the other port, to charge two iPhone 12 or 13 or 11. So as you can see, just want to illustrate the problem, and not the problem, just the illustrate its capabilities of at 20 watts each per port each, right? So I can also charge the iPad. So iPhone 13 here is gonna max out at 18 watts, right? The iPad is currently at 59%. And my iPhone 13 is at 77%. All right, and let's also plug in, see that one, the iPad was able to get a higher wattage than the Jackery. It's getting 21.4 watts. And let's plug in the iPhone. And this is my new AirPods 3. I'll do a review later, but yeah, let's focus on the iPhone 13 right now. And the charger, let's see, 24 combined. Yeah, we can take a look at the reading here. Both devices are charging, and it will take a while for the iPhone to take in the maximum power. We assume that's the current reading minus 21 is the power consumption from the iPhone, which is around 12.8 watts, and may keep going up. If the state of charge is lower than the current one, 77, the charging speed will be faster. But I really don't want to drain my iPhone battery to 10%, so yes. Yeah, so the best use case is probably charge the iPhone or the iPad. You can of course charge that, let me disconnect, charge a MagSafe enabled AirPods. It's okay to use this charger to charge a lower consumption device, and it's going to be limited to whatever this thing can take in. So it's AirPods 3. Additionally, you can use it to charge the battery banks as long as it supports Type-C charging. This is a power bank from Basis. 2 amps in. So yeah, maxed out at 21.22 watts using this power bank for recharging testing. Yeah. All right, I hope you find this review helpful. We tested the recharging the Jackery using this power brick, also the iPad, and charging the iPhone at the same time, and also a smaller power consumption AirPods, and then charging the power bank, all using the Type-C port. So I highly recommend you guys get a modern charger like this with Type-C output, and you don't have to worry about slow charging using a USB Type-C, Type-A anymore. So every modern device is moving towards the Type-C, and this is a fantastic charger for the size, and is perfect for iOS devices, iPad, iPhone, and two of them at the same time. All right, thank you very much for watching.